Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and clearing any software hang, charge to at least 50% because low battery masks faults, and then force a wireless reset. Once the case is open, press and hold the pairing button for about 15 seconds until the LED goes amber then white. This clears stored pairings. Next, go into your phone's Bluetooth list and forget the AirPods so you remove residual profiles. Do this now. It prevents a previously saved bad state from reconnecting. Now, you diagnose hardware contact or blockage issues. Carefully clean the mesh and charging contacts using a dry, soft brush, and then a lightly dampened 70% isopropyl swab. This removes earwax and oxidation that silences one side. Once clean, place each AirPod in alternate case slots to test the case pins. Swapping helps reveal charging contact faults. Then reconnect only one AirPod at a time to your device, so you can see whether the issue follows the bud or the channel. Once you've isolated the problem, perform a full factory reset again and repair both AirPods together to re-establish stereo routing. This forces the firmware to renegotiate left-right roles. If the same bud remains silent, test it on a different phone to rule out source device issues and run Apple diagnostics if available. If those steps fail, your best options are professional service or ordering a replacement single AirPod. And one key tip: document serial numbers before service to speed warranty or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.